I'm opening this box that I got in the mail yesterday that I'm really excited about. And today's my birthday, so I'm opening it. And I've been wanting one of these for a very long time. And now I have it. Lord. This is from an Etsy shop called Hello Faerie. And I will link it in the description. Oh my god. Ah, it's so cute. So, I guess we're just getting right to the point here because... So I believe these are her thistle wings. I should probably look that up. But oh my god, they're so pretty. They're so stunning. I'm so excited that I finally have a pair because I've been eyeing them for I don't know, years? Maybe? Possibly? Oh, wait, here's things right here. Wow. They're the medium apple green thorn fairy wings. And I see her stuff all the time. Oh, that's so cute. She added a little note and some little business cards. Those are really pretty. And a cute little sticker. It's a hello mushroom sticker. This is so cute. I'm obsessed and I'm so excited because these are gonna look so good in photos. Oh my god. That's really awesome with like how versatile they are. You can really pose them however you want. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So basically, this back bit basically just sits in the back of your corset so that you don't have to have any weird, obnoxious straps. You're gonna have to like fiddle with it a bit so that it's a little bit flatter. But these are so gorgeous and I am so excited. So yeah, there they are. I'll probably post some pictures of them at the end of this. And yeah, thanks for watching.